Hey guys, Papa AKJ's Refrigerator here, and today you've opened your locker for a brand new episode of the Toy Locker Show. Today we're doing our first Angry Birds Transformers Telepods unboxing. Today we're doing Dark Megatron. Yes, the Dark Pig himself. So, yeah, here's his package, Dark Megatron. And there's the back. It's part of the Decepticon's Revenge. Now, if you're worried about him in the game, he costs 3,000 pigs. And it's very low. Oh gosh. Do we have scissors? Don't cut the recording, Dad. Alright, so, man, who knew they would be so hard to open? Even though I've never seen anyone open these. I feel we might be experiencing some technical difficulties. Please, actually, thank you, Dark Megatron. It only took you like 10 minutes just to get out.
Here, hold him up.
Are you serious?
Hold him up.
Dark Megatron.
Perfect right there.
As you can do in game, you can turn him into a tank. And then, there's some sort of thing here. So, I totally forgot about this thing. Anyways, here's the thing. You put them on, then you like put them on here.
Well, let's show how they put them on in the game.
Alright, so I got my phone. So you hit the telepods. Now we'll put oh wait, they have to be in there transformed. Good. I think we're actually experiencing some technical difficulties.
Are you holding with the right spot? Did you look at the back of the package and make sure you're in the right spot?
Wait,
the back.
Okay, good. He actually supposed to be in his vehicle mode. Just like in the picture, it's showing he's not in the vehicle mode. Now, Okay, guys, so I don't think it's gonna be working here.
We'll try and figure it out later and let you guys know how it came out.
Anyways, hope you like this, even though we are kind of failing at this. We'll see you guys next time. Check your locker next time for a video.